What's up, guys? Today I will show you guys how to glitch in the bank without even having a keycard. You have to zoom all the way into first person and press shift and go as far as you can to the door and press C and try to jump. And somehow you'll glitch in there. Come on. See, guys, you guys just saw. Did you guys just see it? Without even having a key card. See. Now let's rob the bank. And I will show you guys how to get the money without even have to go out of the bank. So it's a faster way to actually get the money. And tell me, guys, if I should make more glitching videos. And I just found this glitch out today, so yeah. Let's wait a bit. And you actually just have to zoom all in, and you have to press shift and go as far as you can and press C. But let's see until I have 500k. Then I'll do it. Bottom. Okay, guys. Look at this now. See? Wasn't that just easy? Okay, bye guys.